Alright, here we go. We are doing a power test of the Remington Core-Lokt 243 100 grain at about 50 yards. What we're doing is we're hitting a bag of flour, and then it's basically doing a parachute in a jug of water, and we have 1/4-inch boards stacked up behind it to see how many of those 1/4-inch boards it will plow through. So y'all stick around and see what happens. Alright, we expanded on the flour. Blew in to the jug. We have no penetration. No penetration. No bullet that we know of.
Oh, I got you. You thought I didn't see you now, didn't you? You tried to sneak by me now, didn't you? Now give me what you promised me. Give it here. Come on.
I think I found the separation. That would line up with the ding in the board. Alright, there we go. Use that one for another test. Yeehaw, saving wood. Alright, here we go. We have the Remington Core-Lokt 100 grain 243 50 yards doing a power punch test. As y'all see, we punched the flour, parachuted in the water, and well, we didn't get no penetration of the board. We had separation of the bullet. As you can see, the little circle there with the little ding out, it kind of, the dent kind of right there fits per size. And let's just see what we got on this little woohoo right turn Clyde bullet. If you would, 0.81. We have from top to bottom 0.27. And just for poops and giggles, let's see what we have on the separated piece. 24.6 grains left out of 95. Now, with that being said, on the separation, on a previous test you'll seen, the bullet remained together because when shooting through material, it clumped together, stuck together. So if you're shooting wild game, you know, you hit that shoulder, you hit that muscle, that skin, that fat, that muscle, the lung tissue on the inside. It doesn't necessarily mean that bullet's going to come apart on the inside. Everything, you might get it to lob together. You might not. I mean, I'm just trying to give y'all some positive outlook. If you're looking at this and saying, I use Remington Core-Lokt and that sucks, that it just did that. So just think about it. It might just stick together once you start getting the foreign materials clumping around it and holding the bullet together and passing on through. So there you go. Thanks for watching.